In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make waffles. Easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. And these are the things that you're gonna need. And first, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour or 120 grams. 2 tablespoons of sugar or 24 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder or 4 grams, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or 1 gram. Let's go ahead and mix them all together. You can see how in the StatUpBox team we have your back. You haven't fully woken up and we already had you on a full out hardcore whisking forearm workout. Now we're ready for the wet ingredients. We're gonna need 2 large eggs, now we want to go ahead and mix it well. One cup of milk, which is about 245 grams or 9 ounces. And our last ingredient is 4 tablespoons of melted butter or approximately 56 grams. And now we're ready to mix all our wet ingredients. Come on, camera guy. This is a family show. Now that you exercise your forearm, we can go ahead and mix both dry and wet ingredients together. You came to make waffles and now you have muscles. We go ahead and oil up your waffle machine and set it to your desired brownness. Once we see it's picking up heat, we're ready to add our batter. And how much you use will depend on the size and type of your waffle maker. We close the machine and flip. And a pro tip, we like to add less even though we'll get a smaller waffle than adding more and having a spill that now in the early morning you're gonna have to clean up. And if there's any partners or family members in the house, you already know how that's gonna go. And you haven't had your coffee yet and you're thinking about starting a full-on war. We say to you, peace, my friend. Once we have the ready button, we can flip it again and we're ready to open. Today, we congratulate you. You went from a black belt in pancake making in our previous video to a full-on waffle ninja. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.